This is a Raspberry Pi 5 running Home Assistant. If you encounter a power loss, things can go sideways, so let me show you how to fix it. This is the Geekworm x1200, a tiny UPS for your Raspberry Pi 5. Inside the box, you will find a set of screws, no instructions, and the board itself. The board will be powered by two 1865 batteries, and on the back side it has a set of pogo pins. I don't know if you can clearly see it. These are some spring-loaded pins that will make contact with the back of the Raspberry Pi, and this is how it will power it up. This plastic protector came off from somewhere, from one of these connectors over here. It has a power button on the back. On the side we have a power jack for providing power to the Raspberry Pi 5. An important thing to notice is that once this board is mounted, you only have to use this USB-C connector to power the Raspberry Pi 5. Do not power the Pi using its own USB-C port. Alright, it doesn't seem too complicated, so let's see how it goes. First thing first, I'm gonna open this pack of screws. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna get a screwdriver, put it back to back. It will align with the already existing holes. So let's see how this works. That's about it. I didn't use the last screw. I'm not sure if it should go somewhere because I don't see where, or it's simply extra because, hey, maybe you're gonna lose one. We already have the contacts made with the back of the Raspberry Pi 5. Now we will need two batteries. I have a set here. So let's plug it in. Make sure to put minus to minus and plus to plus. So one will go like this. Okay, it's pretty tight. And the second battery will go like this. With everything connected, I'm gonna take a USB-C power supply, plug it into the Geekbord. Everything looks fine. And well, it already started without me doing anything. The Raspberry Pi, it's already on. Now for the test, I should be able to unplug it. As you can see, the Raspberry Pi 5 is still working. With no power connected, the Geekboard is doing its job. I can try to stop it and power it on again. Let's see if it works like this. Alright, the Raspberry Pi is off. Completely turned off, and now I'm gonna turn it on again. Oh, but the button doesn't work. I have to push this one. Even the power button switched to the Geekboard. And as you can see, the fan is spinning, everything is started up, so it's working properly. In theory, with two fully charged batteries connected, the unit will be able to stay online for around 40 to 45 minutes, which is a lot. I just need it to work while I have small power outages. Once this happens, all my devices get disconnected. I have a lot of services which are propagated from my network, and usually if they start earlier than Home Assistant, everything gets in a messy situation. You can even get corruptions, especially if you're running on an SD card. This solution is super nice and compact. You also have the option, if you're using Raspbian, for example, you can install a special software where you can monitor the status of the batteries. You can see if it's charging or not. You can command the Raspberry Pi 5 to shut down, for example, when it reaches a low level. So there are a lot of interesting stuff that you can do with it. For my use case, which is simply keeping my unit alive until power is restored, it's something great. And this small form factor allows me to hide it somewhere in a closet so I don't have it in the way. That's it for this short video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if so, please don't forget to like and subscribe.